All right, man, so in this video we are repairing a 17-year-old water heater. I don't normally repair water heaters this old because they do tend to leak, but I made an exception. It's probably the only exception I'm ever gonna make. And you'll see, it was so full of sediment. This is before I had the sediment buster. If I had the sediment buster, this would have been a perfect video to use it, because the sediment buster is really good for when you're trying to drain a water heater and you get sediment clogs. That's the best for me, because even with a pump or a transfer pump that you're pumping out, I mean, even that won't often clear clogs. And so sometimes it's good to be able to push air, to push the clog out, to let air kind of get sucked back in. So anyway, I was able to pull it out, remove the sediment, and throw it back in. It wasn't leaking when I left, which is good. But yeah, so enjoy.